Brats, have you ever thought, man, I want to Hello Kitty my headset? Modjuego might have you covered. I actually bought these. They didn't send these to me, but let's open them up and see what we think. Always have that small, sharp unboxing knife. Whenever you have boxes that have tape and all these things you gotta open up. This one is very securely taped, actually. They don't want you to Hello Kitty easily. Man, this is a tricky kind. That might be good enough. Got a lot of tape here, I don't wanna get hurt. We've got controller covers and a head strap. Just open. Okay, I'm pretty sure I only ordered one. Why is there two here? Hang on right there, because this thing is about to go pink. Pink! Very pink. I don't know if you can even tell on camera. This is like bubblegum Barbie pink. This is terribly pink. It's also made for a child, I feel like, because it doesn't get very big for your head. That's max open right there, and I'm gonna tighten it a little bit, but I could leave it sitting on my head just like that. Oh, gear sounds nasty. I just know this thing looks great. We're not just here to be pretty in pink, we are here to review this. So what am I noticing? One, the gear sounds super cheap. It is very similar to a lot of other head straps we checked out, but everything about it just feels a little cheaper. It's got these little kitty ear symbols here, but no kitty ears on top. Where's the kitty ears? You're already so close. The pink leather strap feels cheap. The pink silicone cover does have the vents you need for a silicone cover. You know how I feel about these silicone covers if you've been on the channel much though. There's always a risk that they can like slide out and cover up your cameras while you're playing. So I don't like those, but how else are you gonna get a pink headset without that? The inner silicone cover right now looks like it's not fitting well, but that's because this is a Kiwi brand facial interface. This is not the stock facial interface. So I'm confident that would fit fine on the normal stock one. It's a halo strap. It's okay. It feels like a normal halo strap, but cheaper, yet you're paying over 50 bucks for this whole kit. I've checked out controller sets like these. I don't like them. When you have your hand in there, if your hand has any size to it, you have this part pulling. It's just silicone right there that it's pulling on. So that's probably not gonna last. And also, as you pull that down, it's pulling your tracking ring all around, which is actually not, there's nothing holding this thing tight up here. It's just sitting around on it. All it takes to take the controller out is like that. There's no bands around it. There's no nothing holding that controller. So the grips themselves, I wouldn't recommend or use as they stand. It is nice they have these little bits of padding around them and a very pink analog stick back there. Matches the rest of the aesthetic here, just absolutely ridiculous looking. It's funny, and I think it's fun. I think if someone was really into pink and they really wanted to go for this, you could get it. The head strap may not last super long is my main concern for that. I feel like more than anything, you're gonna get this to punk your friend who has a Quest and like put this on their Quest and they're not looking. I don't think a lot of people are gonna be buying this seriously, but if you want it to be all pink, for the head strap and the stuff with the headset, it works. I wouldn't use these grips. Some people use grips like this and they're okay with them. Personally, I just hate them because you play something like Beat Saber where you're really squeezing these and it's just gonna work its way down while you're playing. Then it's gonna start interacting with your grip button. The grips are bad, okay? That's all I've got to say about the grips. No on the grips. If you really like pink, maybe the rest of this. I'm not gonna leave a link in the description because it all comes as a package deal and I can't recommend this part. I worry about this part and I don't like this part just because they move around. They don't stay in place. But what do you think? What color would you like to see? Would you buy this if it was in the right color? Would you buy it if the kitty ears on the side actually had the kitty ears on top? Are you gonna buy this just straight up right now as is because you just love the way this looks and you want it? Apparently, maybe if you buy it, you get two for the price of one, like I did. I don't know how that happened. I really hope I didn't pay for two of these kits. So yeah, I'd love to know what you think out there. I wanna say thank you for coming out and hanging out with us for this very random, very weird Quest 2 accessory, and I will see you in another reality.